I started racing my Fiat 500 Abarth this year, and I'm having an absolute blast. I've been seeing all sorts of cool videos like this all over YouTube, and I'm very jealous. I think videos like this where you can see the steering would let me know exactly how bad I'm doing, but my videos tend to look like this when I'm lucky enough for someone to shoot them. So I'm looking for a solution that doesn't cost $1,000,000 so I can get awesome videos like the ones we're seeing here. I found a really cool app called Track Addict. It combines external GPS sensors, OBD2 scanners, and external cameras like GoPro, and creates a really cool overlay like the ones I saw earlier. The app was like $9. Deal. So I spent a little bit of money getting some toys recommended by the Track Addict app. I got my OBD2 scanner, my GPS sensor. Originally I was going to try to do this with a cell phone, so I bought some stuff to mount that and had a plan for a dash mount suction cup, and the performance on that was not very good. My test track was a bumpy country road, and without image stabilization, the cell phone just wasn't cutting it. I tried some other mounting schemes to see if I could improve the situation, but fundamentally, without image stabilization, it's just not going to work, especially in an autocross. So I finally broke down and bought a GoPro. I liked putting it roughly where a passenger's head would be, using a helmet mount. Now things were starting to look a little bit better. The image stabilization of the GoPro meant that I still get a pretty decent image, even though I could see the camera vibrating around like crazy. I didn't like how springy and stretchy the straps that came with the GoPro helmet mount were, so I replaced them with some straps that were a lot more heavy duty that I could put some real tension on, and rigged it so I could slide the camera around the seat rest to get it right where I wanted. Adding this little bit of extra stability seems to have really improved the image quality. The image on the left is with the heavy-duty straps, the image on the right is with the original GoPro mount, and I know the image on the left is a nice sunny day, but overall it does seem to have improved the stability when you look at it closely. So now I finally got something that I'm pretty happy with. The image quality looks good, even though this is a really bumpy test section that I'm running through. And the other features of Track Addict / Race Render are working very well. The OBD2 functions you can see are pretty cool. I've even got my manifold pressure in there. And the GPS sensor, which you can see riding on my dash in the image here, is putting out that info to a very accurate track map for just a rural back road in Virginia. So overall, pretty happy, ready to go racing. Just as soon as the girls have the race car all prepped and ready to go. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya.